Hi everybody, welcome to my channel again, and today we're going to be cooking again. So today I'm actually going to show you how to cook for the whole week, because I know how busy we are working, 2 jobs sometimes, kids, school, homeschooling, all that stuff. I know it can be a little chaotic at times, so on Sundays, I like to prepare something for the whole week, if not at least 3 days, to help out. So when I get home from work and when homework is completed, by then dinner can be done. So I like to buy chicken in bulk, and I'll cook 6, maybe 8, depending, and depending what we're gonna have for the week. You can also freeze your cooked chicken and take them out of the freezer for whatever you want. Tonight, I'm actually going to show you how to do pizzas with chicken for one. So I'm going to do a barbecue chicken pizza with bacon on top, and then the other pizza, just a plain cheese pizza. But I'm going to show you how you can cheat using your kids' cheese strings in the crust. They'll never know. So let's get started. All right, so with this one, we're just going to go ahead and start with, you can use whatever your favorite pizza sauce. You could use marinara sauce. You could use whatever you want. You could make your own if you wanted to. So we're just going to spread that all over evenly. You want to make sure that you oil your tray first. You can buy store-bought pizza, roll it out, which is what I did before, or you can buy the one in the tube, or buy already, if you go to your local pizza store, I'm sure they'll sell you the pizza there, and you can roll it out at home as well. So whatever one your favorite one is, go right ahead and do it. All right, so I love lots of sauce on this one, and there, that's good enough. All right, so I actually shredded pepper jack cheese, and my husband's about the spice, so, and he's all about cheese pizza too, so why not just do both? So he's gonna have a cheese pizza tonight, and we're gonna stuff the crust with the kids' cheese strings. He's not gonna know until he bites into it, so I'm not gonna tell him. So he doesn't eat the crust. Maybe he might tonight, we'll see. So let's just make sure that's nice and cheesy. Pepper jack cheese is delicious. It melts really well, and it has a little spice, and you could have whatever cheese you want. You could have your own mozzarella, whatever. You could have cheddar cheese on top if you wanted to. Do whatever you want. Okay, so that's that. Now, cheese strings. So, no one's gonna know. So what you're gonna do is, when you roll out your pizza dough, make sure that it's hanging over, and roll it under like that. Okay. Roll it like that. Grab the dough, the crust. Okay. And you're gonna roll it. Make sure that it's tucked in there. Okay. All right. All right, so you're gonna roll that with all your cheese strings. You can just do half if you wanted to. You could do the whole crust, totally up to you. But make sure when you roll it, just kind of roll the dough underneath itself, so that way when it rises, it will actually stay closed together like that. So just like this, roll the rest. So we have a nice crust, okay? And now we're gonna drizzle this with some olive oil. All right, so let's put some olive oil on the crust. You want that nice golden brown. There we go. Evenly spread that. Okay. There we go. And into the oven it's going to go, 400, until it's nice and golden brown and all bubbly and ooey gooey. Okay. All right, so next we're going to do our barbecue bacon pizza with bacon sprinkled on top. Did I say that right? Barbecue chicken with bacon on top. All right, so we're just going to put on your favorite barbecue sauce on the bottom, and any kind. You can make your own barbecue sauce if you like as well. So we like a nice thick, little sweet, little tangy, little spice in here. Now what I did with the chicken was I grilled 6 pieces of chicken. And that is going to be for the meals for a couple of days in a row. So this is going to be our first chicken meal with the pizza. And it's just 1 chicken diced up. And you could add a salad with this and dessert afterwards or whatever. But not everybody likes this one in this house. This is one of my favorites. Like I said, the husband likes a plain cheese pizza, so we'll stick with the plain cheese for him. So, and then with the other chickens, you can do chicken Alfredo for another night, and I'll show you how to do that as well. And you can do with chicken club sandwiches. That's always filling and healthy as well. So now that we drizzled or brushed on your barbecue sauce, now let's add some of the chicken. So at least the family's getting the protein and help fill up their little tummies. Okay, let's sprinkle it all. So that was 1 chicken breast diced up, and that was just the perfect amount. And of course the dog just appeared just when I happened to sprinkle the chicken. She has a nose that she can wake up from a dead sleep if she smells chicken. So now we're adding this, just plain mozzarella cheese. So you could add the pepper jack if you wanted to, and to give it that little spice as well. Sprinkle that evenly. Oh, I don't know if you could hear her, but she's begging me for some chicken here. All right, so you notice that I hung this over a little bit longer. I'm gonna add a little bit more along the side here, okay? So that way when I roll it, we're gonna have some of that cheese in the crust. Okay. Okay, you'll get some chicken after. All right, so let's just roll this over. Doesn't have to be pretty. See, the dog, she wants that chicken. You'll get it after, little girl. Maybe she wants the pizza. We'll see. All right. And again, we're gonna drizzle this with some olive oil so we can get a nice crust on here. All right. All right, so let's drizzle some olive oil along the crust. Okay. Spread that so it makes it a nice golden crust. Okay. There we go. And now we're gonna sprinkle our bacon. Can't forget the bacon. Okay, there we go. So I just made extra bacon this morning, and I have to hide it because I know it'll get eaten before tonight's dinner. So, all right. Delish. All right, so now we're gonna put this in the oven again at 400 until golden brown. All right, it's all done. So now we're just gonna cut it up. You wanna let it cool before you slice into it, because then all the cheese and the sauce will just make a mess. So this is the cheese pizza. Okay. And, ooh, it's hot. All right, so thin crust and stuffed crust. Okay, let's take a bite. Mmm, cheese pizza, delicious. Even the crust. Dip in your marinara or your pizza sauce, anything. All right, so this one is still super hot. Okay. Oh, we have our little friend here back again. She smells food, of course. So we got the barbecue here, really, really hot. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece here. Let's take a bite of this one here. All right. Mmm, full flavor. Mmm, super hot. But your barbecue, your cheese, your chicken, your bacon, everything delicious. So again, we cook our chicken in bulk and make many meals out of that. So stay tuned for chicken Alfredo for our next chicken. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try these recipes and stay tuned for my next cooking. Thanks.